Chief Minister 𝗕𝗓𝗥𝗘𝗡 today launched SWACHHATA Hi SEVA in the state at the Cabinet Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat. The theme of the SWACHHATA Hi SEVA campaign 2023 is Garbage-Free India. The launching of SWACHHATA Hi SEVA, organized by Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development, was also attended by Chief Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi, Administrative Secretaries, HODs, among others. District Commissioners was also attended the launching program virtually. Addressing the function, Chief Minister 𝗕𝗓𝗥𝗘𝗡 emphasized the need of support and cooperation of people, including civil societies and others, to bring understanding and peace among the communities during these difficult times. Further reiterating that efforts are on to find a solution and bring peace at the earliest, the Chief Minister sought further support of the people and blessings from God. He said that the public must have also witnessed the opening of national highways, deployment of security forces in sensitive areas, and efforts to ensure availability of essential commodities in all districts. He also said that starting from October, the government is planning to resume the 6-day working week and there will be no holidays on Saturdays. Due to the unfortunate crisis, the state has lost 3-4 months, he said, adding that to make up for this, there is a need for government employees to put in more effort. Speaking about the campaign, the Chief Minister said that under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's SWACHHATA Hi SEVA campaign, the country has witnessed a big difference in the country's rivers, lake, municipality areas, etc. during the past 9 years. He said various schemes have also been introduced in the state, including the 𝗦𝗪𝗔𝗪 Rejuvenation project as part of the campaign. He added that the state has already received the technical clearance for similar projects for Imphal River and Gombe River from the center, and that 2 other projects are in the consideration stage. 𝗕𝗓𝗥𝗘𝗡 also said that 4 more projects for Thoubal River, Chakpi River, Moreh River, Hayrok River are in the DRP stage, stating that keeping Manipur clean and hygienic is the collective responsibility of the people. The Chief Minister called upon the people, including manipuri, students, local clubs, officials at Panchayat level, to join the fortnight-long campaign till October 2 to keep the environment clean. He added that the tender process for Lamphel-Pat project is already complete, and dredging work will commence in the first phase. There is also another long-time planned project in the pipeline to create reservoirs by bringing water through pipes from the Loktak project, Chief Minister 𝗕𝗓𝗥𝗘𝗡 added.
Yamna lively oiba state ma ohen mai bise koi mayam gi mathong le duna bazar manung da mo liba kholiba to singarang ai Chief Secretary I really appreciate lamdeng le riba solid waste management gi si nauna mumana tawrakan da ji garbage sing gi phumbam mafam amasu amuk tawthoga leire hare aduna magi phajana properly function to yare ni asi properly function tawruk tabana maram kana bazar manung da kari da garbage sing si hunthofam leitaba gi problems leiba aduna bazar manung gi leiriba amora kai mayam se ko sungchoi soidana nalhan mangam magani loina school college panchayat level aduga khun gi leibiriba ima maira paibi sing club sing involved to holaga widely ngasi degi horaga haibadare 2nd October dumba Mahatma Gandhi ji gi mapok numit si phawbai koi leptana fajana sathanaba imadumai mayamda ngasi gi sugumba launching program sing mari leina appeal tawningi aduga pukri sing akoi rainwater harvesting akoi fajana thamdabe yaro nong tabagi sang wala ibasi jamna serious concern ne khoi gi turein sing chawba udre tadre nong tarak tabana maram warkanda aduna ecological imbalance malai ba pol ba mayam se koi wherever we got a chance koi tree plantation to ba umang yokot ba uwa thajan ba se koi lepe